Hey love bugs, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashley for tuning in for the first time, and today I've teamed up with Mslynn to bring you this beautiful install. This is going to be a bone straight bust down a center part vibe. Now this is kind of like a fast forward from the future. I actually filmed this video on my daughter's birthday, which was September 13th. Since then, 5 days later was my birthday, plus we had family in town. And I had a full birthday weekend celebration, went to the spa, we did a staycation, just a whole amazing, crazy 2 past weeks we've had. So I'm finally getting around to doing the intro and the outro on this one. This has been a beautiful wig and it's held up nicely. It gives a nice natural density, not too thick with the heat that's been going on in LA. Now that we're going into the fall and the transition, it also works as well. Really love the way it came out. You can definitely skip out on the baby hair if that's something that just bugs you, or you're just not a baby hair kind of girl. You guys know I love a good tuck behind the ear, and this one will look good that way as well. So I'm going to go ahead and jump into the install. I just wanted to show you the final result in the beginning of the video. Now let's jump right into it.
Let me live with you, let me be in your crew. I just wanna be free, be with people like me. I'm so not in the mood to be broken and blue. I just wanna go dance, baby, find me some romance. I don't wanna talk tonight, I don't wanna waste another night. I just wanna hit the floor, maybe somewhere I haven't been before. I don't wanna kill the vibe, I don't wanna feel it if it don't feel right. I just wanna break the ice. There's so much more to life than tears. There's so much more to life than fears. All I want is a night off, all I need is a night off. All I want is a night off. Ooh. Take it away, take it away, take it away. Do it my way, do it my way, do it my way. Free from the pain, free from the pain, free from the pain. A night off, a night off.
My baby, I like you. My baby, I die for you. See you, you know, I see you. My baby, you know, I ride with you. My baby, I don't cover that, I die for you. I pray to the Lord, I rise to the Lord. Gonna greet the Lord, I pray to the Lord. Fatumata Jambele, everything being safe again, everything for your Jambele, oh Jambele, oh yeah. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me.
Baby girl, you're so fine, I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah nah, ooh girl, nah nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex, dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh girl, nah nah, ooh girl, nah nah. Fly me up with dreams, it's the only thing I need. When I'm down, lift me up with your company. There's no telling what you and me creating. We're on the same wavelength. Feel the beat tonight, something good inside. Set you free, let you lose all track of time. Come on, have a conversation. Don't treat me like a stranger. You give me motivation, make my life vacation. When we are together, I surrender. Give you all my money, make you look so lovely, never feeling lonely. Baby girl, you're so fine, I can't.
The sun is going down now. Been at it for a while, and I have had enough of this. I doubt that we can solve it. been trying for so long, and I just can't ignore that it won't ever be the same. No, we will never be that good again. Don't drag it out, skip the innocence. Things will never be the same again. You know, I got all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, I am all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, you're still stuck on my mind. You won't go away.
Okay, love bugs, I'm not sure if I left the original outro in or any of that, but this is a fast forward to almost 2 weeks later. So I filmed this on September 13th, which was Dominic's birthday, and it's actually September 23rd. Well, it just turned 1 a.m. So yeah, so 10 days later. So within the 10 days is when it's held up beautifully. As you guys can see, it's a nice natural but long and full at the same time density. I love a good bust down center part, and I love a good baby hair to kind of help conceal the lace. I hate when I'm talking to someone straight on and like the lace is just sitting there and there's no baby hair. But then in hindsight, most people prefer no baby hair. I just like the fact that the baby hair kind of helps to conceal, so you can't just sit there and stare at it. Really quickly, let me show you the packaging. I love the Grown and Sexy and how they switched it up to the black and gold. Very, very, very beautiful. In this box, if you're looking for like a keepsake box or something like that, this one is definitely nice and sturdy. So this here is the dust bag. Of course, you guys already know that is a must keep to keep up with your wig. This is the bag the wig came in, and there's also a wig cap inside. It does let me know that this one is 22 inches in length. It's a 13x4 lace wig, 180% density, and then the cap size is average size. Also, here is like a little, I don't know if you guys can see that, but this is like an elastic band. This here is a mini version of the big dust bag. How cute is that? The big one and the small one. This is perfect duo for travel, and then it's nice and full. So inside is a comb. I like these kind of combs. They're super fun. It's like the ones to the side, so it's like wide tooth enough that it will get there and detangle, but it's also like narrow enough that like it'll detangle, if that makes any sense. This is a baby hair brush, double-sided. Here is a pack of lashes. I was just talking about like the melt belt lace band. They actually provided one, which is perfect, nice and stretchy. And then this here, it's a whole like travel makeup brush set, if you will. Super cute, and they're mainly like eyeshadow brushes. Really pretty with like the neutral color pink vibe. Love the sheen and the luster, especially like when I turned the light down a little bit. You can see my melanin for real, and you can see how beautiful this is. I'm gonna love this one curled. I told you guys I would curl it, but again, I've been so busy and out the way that like I haven't had time to actually like style my hair. Just keeping it like bonded down and just looking decent has been enough of a task in itself. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe and check out the description box. There you'll find a direct link to this wig and all of the details if I miss anything. Also, you'll find like lists and links of everything we used to complete this look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches!